My dear brothers and sisters, during these days after the solemnity of the Epiphany last Sunday, we will be hearing stories or gospel narratives that would show how Jesus manifested himself to his people during his public ministry. And today, we see how the two readings would really go hand in hand. Saint John said, "Let us love one another because love is of God." O sa ibang mga version, we always hear, "Because God is love." And I think this is the simplest Bible verse we can all memorize and even take to heart every day if we are to ask, what's one Bible line that you know? God is love. At ito po ang dahilan bakit may naging milagro sa pagpapadami ng tinapay at ng mga isda noong panahon ni Jesus. Yes, he was moved with pity for them. He saw that these people were like sheep without a shepherd. He taught them many things. And over and above all these acts of compassion, there came a miracle because Jesus is love. Jesus expressed his love dahil nagmahal si Jesus. Hindi lang naman dahil kaya ni Jesus, dahil Diyos siya, kaya niya magmilagro at nagkaroon nga ng milagro. Pero may milagrong nangyari dahil sa pag-ibig na kanyang ibinigay. He loved them so much, and thus the miracle happened. Just as we are in the first days of a new year, hopefully let this be a beautiful intention and yet a beautiful motivation going inside of us. To live in love and to love one another. At dahil sa pag-iibigan natin, may sisikat na milagro. May mga taong magiging masaya at mabubusog. There will be blessings. No one will be hungry. Everyone will be satisfied physically, spiritually, and even with just sharing our presence. Just remember the days of Christmas or your daily ordinary acts of kindness and goodness. Kaya may mga taong napupuno, kaya may mga taong nagiging masaya, kaya may mga taong nabubusog, nagiging maayos ang kanilang buhay. Hindi lang dahil mayroon tayong kayang ilabas, hindi lang dahil kaya natin, dahil mayaman tayo, dahil tayo ay may punong-puno sa ating mga buhay. Pero tandaan po natin, dahil nagmamahal tayo, kaya may nagiging milagro. We are love, we know how to love, and that is why people will be filled and happy. We might wish how to make people happy and satisfied every day of our lives. We wish to know how it is to give, how to be generous in one way or another. Just love and express love, miracles will unfold. Be love and let miracles be true. And let love be the motivation. Let love be the fire. And see how people will be filled, how will also they be satisfied, and how these people will also be blessed.